You're standing on a burning platform, but instead of jumping, you convince yourself the flames feel warm. That's your 20s. Comfort that's slowly killing your potential. You think you're preparing for life, reading, scrolling, watching others succeed. But let's be honest. Preparation without action is just procrastination in disguise. You're not preparing, you're delaying. Fast forward 20 years, and you'll see friends with scars from battles you were too afraid to fight. And you'll have stories. Not victories, not lessons, just stories about the plans you never started. Dreams rot the same way fruit does, not because time was short, but because you left them untouched. They told you, your 20s are for finding yourself. Sounds nice, right? But here's the truth. You don't find yourself at the bottom of a Netflix queue or on another weekend bender. You build yourself through painful trial and error. Waiting for clarity is the same as waiting for permission, and no one's coming to give it. Your 20s are not a waiting room. They're the battlefield where you earn the right to be someone. So build something that scares you. Fail forward. Call the shot and take it. Think of your life as clay. If you don't shape it now, it hardens into whatever random mess you left it as. So let me ask you this. 10 years from now, do you want to look back at a highlight reel of risks you took? Or a playlist of excuses you repeated? The cage is open. Walk out, or admit you love being trapped.